Today I had asked an unstarred question in the Rajya Sabha relating to Cess fund under Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996 and its utilization. In the reply, Honorable Minister has put on record that the amount which has been collected so far is of the order of 78,000 crores, out of which about 35,000 crore has been spent. So that leaves an unspent balance of about 39,997 crores of unutilized funds. There is a need, definitely, to spend this money as quickly as possible for the welfare of these construction and other workers, because it is for their welfare only. The ministry did not give any specific reply as to the initiatives taken by the central government to expedite construction of these welfare measures from the unspent amount and how quickly it would be done.